How to install WhatsApp in Windows 11. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then search for WhatsApp download Windows. Then simply go to WhatsApp's official page and then you will see the option download on your top right corner. Then select the file and save it. After that, wait for the installer to be downloaded and then simply open the installer and install it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.